Imagine a plant with the power to heal, a plant that has been cherished for generations. Imagine its cool gel calming burns and soothing skin, providing instant relief and comfort. This is aloe vera, a true gift from nature, revered for its multifaceted benefits. For centuries, people have turned to aloe vera for its remarkable healing properties, using it in various traditional remedies. Today, science is catching up with tradition, revealing the secrets behind this incredible plant and its numerous applications. Aloe vera is not just a pretty face, it's a complex plant with a rich inner structure. Its true beauty lies within its leaves, where the magic happens. Break open a leaf and you'll find a clear gel brimming with potential. This gel is a powerhouse of nutrients and compounds that can benefit our health in countless ways, from skincare to digestion. From soothing burns to boosting immunity, aloe vera offers a natural path to well-being, making it a staple in many households. Join me as we explore the science and the secrets of this ancient healer, uncovering its full potential. Aloe vera's history is as rich and fascinating as its healing properties, stretching back through the annals of time. Imagine ancient civilizations turning to this remarkable plant for relief and healing. From the Egyptians to the Greeks, aloe vera has been prized for its medicinal value for over 6,000 years, a testament to its enduring significance. Ancient texts refer to it as the plant of immortality and the burn plant, highlighting its revered status and multifaceted uses. Cleopatra, the legendary Egyptian queen, used aloe vera as part of her beauty regimen, understanding its unique benefits. She understood its power to soothe, heal, and rejuvenate the skin, keeping her complexion radiant and youthful. Across the globe, in ancient India, aloe vera was a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, revered for its versatility. It was used to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions, showcasing its broad spectrum of healing properties. This ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, speaks volumes about the enduring power and timeless appeal of aloe vera. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. Today, science is confirming what our ancestors knew all along. Aloe vera is a healing powerhouse. Researchers are uncovering the plant's complex chemical makeup, identifying over 75 active compounds. These include vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants that work synergistically to provide a wide range of health benefits. Studies have shown that aloe vera can accelerate wound healing, particularly in the case of burns. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and redness, while its antibacterial action prevents infections. Furthermore, aloe vera has demonstrated potential in boosting the immune system, improving digestion, and even managing blood sugar levels. The future of aloe vera research is promising, with scientists continually discovering new applications for this versatile plant. Bringing the power of aloe vera into your home is easier than you think. You can grow your own plant or find pure aloe vera gel at most health food stores. Having this natural remedy at your fingertips empowers you to take control of your health. For minor burns and skin irritations, apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel directly to the affected area. You'll be amazed by its cooling and soothing effect. Aloe vera can also be used as a natural moisturizer for the face and body. Its hydrating properties leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Incorporate aloe vera into your daily routine and experience its gentle yet powerful effects. Soothing burns. Aloe vera as a skin's best friend. When it comes to burns, aloe vera is a true lifesaver. Whether it's a sunburn, a minor kitchen burn, or even a radiation burn, aloe vera can provide immediate relief. Its cool gel soothes the burning sensation and reduces inflammation. Aloe vera works by creating a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and promoting healing. It also stimulates the production of collagen, a protein that helps repair damaged tissues. The next time you experience a burn, reach for aloe vera gel. It's a natural and effective way to soothe your skin and accelerate the healing process. Beyond the surface. Aloe vera for internal wellness. Aloe vera's benefits extend far beyond skin deep. Consuming aloe vera juice can promote digestive health by reducing inflammation in the gut and balancing gut bacteria. It can also aid in detoxification, helping your body eliminate toxins more efficiently. Some studies suggest that aloe vera may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential natural remedy for managing diabetes. However, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before using aloe vera for any medical condition. Remember, while aloe vera offers numerous health benefits, it should not replace conventional medical treatment options. Section 7. Choosing the right aloe, a buyer's guide. With so many aloe vera products on the market, it's important to choose wisely. Look for products that contain 100% pure aloe vera gel, free from additives and fragrances, organic and sustainably sourced. Aloe vera is always a better choice. When buying aloe vera plants, choose healthy-looking plants with plump green leaves. Avoid plants with brown spots or wilting leaves. You can harvest the gel directly from the leaves of your plant or purchase pre-extracted gel. Store your aloe vera gel in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. Section 8. A word of caution. When to seek expert advice. While aloe vera is generally safe for topical and internal use, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and contraindications. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to aloe vera, so it's advisable to do a patch test before applying it to a large area of skin. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before using aloe vera, as its safety during these periods is not fully established. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or kidney disease, should seek medical advice before incorporating aloe vera into their regimen. Remember, knowledge is key to using aloe vera safely and effectively. Section 9. Embracing nature's pharmacy. Your journey to well-being. In a world filled with synthetic remedies and quick fixes, aloe vera stands out as a beacon of natural healing and wellness. Its gentle yet powerful properties have been cherished for millennia across various cultures and traditions, offering relief and promoting overall well-being. By embracing the wisdom of nature and its gifts, we can harness the healing potential of aloe vera and embark on a journey toward a healthier, more balanced life. This journey is not just about physical health, but also about mental and emotional well-being. Start by incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine. Use it to soothe burns, moisturize your skin, or aid digestion. Its versatility is truly remarkable. Explore the various forms of aloe vera available, from fresh gel to juices and supplements. Each form offers unique benefits. Remember, the journey to wellness is a personal one. Listen to your body, do your research, and make informed choices that support your overall health and vitality. Embrace aloe vera as a step towards a more natural and holistic lifestyle. Section 10. Aloe Vera, a timeless remedy for a healthier tomorrow. Aloe Vera's story is a testament to the enduring power of nature. This humble plant, with its remarkable healing properties, has stood the test of time, offering relief and promoting well-being for generations. As we delve deeper into the science behind aloe vera, we uncover even more reasons to embrace this timeless remedy. Let aloe vera be your guide on the path to natural healing. Embrace its soothing touch, its internal benefits, and its potential to enhance your overall well-being. Remember, nature holds the key to a healthier and more vibrant life. Let's unlock its secrets, one aloe vera leaf at a time. Subscribe to our channel, comment and like for more health tips and delicious recipes. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.